Awusawubona nkosazana.
How are you?
Ukhuluma isilungu nkosazana.
Can I get an interpreter here? God have mercy. Baba, how are you? You brought your wife to the salon that day.
Me fine. I want to tell something. Me dirty looking you wife.
Dirty.
Look.
Okay, looking wife.
Me
wife.
want you wife.
Me.
Wife, you wanting me wanting you to wife.
I should go look for your wife, or I don't understand.
I want to cook you.
Cook me.
Yeah, cook you in house.
In your pot.
In potting me cooking you.
You want to cook me?
Me cooking you, cooking me, cooking each other.
Do I look like pork?
Hey!
Pork. Wait, am I meat? Do I look like steak for you? Cooking me.
You cooking me, me cooking each other in house.
No, not me.
You wife,
no.
You wife, and me wife.
Never went.
Into msase kodi ke lezi nkosi yami.